am Miss Lori from the St. Thomas the Apostle and the Winona EarlyOn Centers. I am excited to have you here with me today to do a simple science activity. Today we are going to make some Jell-O slime. First thing you're going to do is take your Jell-O package and pour it inside. Then you'll take your 1 cup of cornstarch and dump it inside. Grab your spoon and you take your 3/4 cups of warm water, pour in a little bit at a time, start stirring. And you can slowly add more water if you need it to get the right consistency. I might add a little bit of more water. It's up to you. You can make it as thick or as thin as you like. Once you have it all stirred to the way you want, feel free to get dirty. You can use your spoon or you can take your fingers and get in the slime. Thank you for joining me in Miss Lori's lab today. I really enjoy doing these simple science activities with you, and I hope to see you again real soon. Keep an eye on the website for more interesting activities to do with the EarlyOn staff.